Hi everyone, and welcome to another crypto setups tutorial. Harvest Finance have just kicked off migrating their current strategies, their vaults for the uni pools into a time lock strategy. So there's a migration process involved, and I wanted to just show you how you can do that. They've made it extremely simple, so I'll just show the quick steps of what we need to ensure you migrate your existing strategies that you may be in, but only to do with any of the uni pools. And how you move them into the new vault. So when you're on Harvest Finance, connect. You can see it's connected. Head on over to stake. Now, in my case, I'm only in one of the vaults. So in one of the strategies, which is the ETH DAI. When you select here. So just a caution, when you first land here, the first thing it will say is actually unstake. As you can see, I have done. It's a 3-step process. I have done the unstake bit. So once you do the unstake, when you click on it, it'll ask for an approval. Give it the approve. Wait a moment for the transaction to clear. The next step is approve. So we'll click approve. Here we go. Transaction fee. I just want to quickly check. Yeah. That's great. I've got gas. I know what the gas is at, so I'm happy with that. So you can see it's happening. So we'll just wait for this to clear and then we'll do the migration. As you can see, it's approved. Great. And so after you do the approve, the next one is to migrate. So let's click on migrate. It'll ask me for another. Gas is cheap at the moment as well, which is fantastic. So great time to do the migration, and we'll kick that off. As soon as this is done, we'll check. So again, what this is it's migrating into the new strategies, and the change there is they've introduced a time lock, so they have to wait a minimum of 12 hours before any changes to these strategies are made, which is something everyone has been asking for. So they've delivered on one of the promises and requests, and made the process extremely smooth for the end user, which is great to see. So we'll just wait for this migration, and then I'll do a refresh and see, and we'll be done. And there you have it. You can see, so after you unstake, you approve, you click migrate, and you're in the new vault. It's got, and currently it's not ticking, so they have there's a time when the farm rewards will start to tick in, just allowing people to migrate, which is great to see. So then if I click back onto farm, you can see I've got my uni. I'm now migrated to the new vault, and it's got the time lock strategy time lock in place, which is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this crypto setups tutorial. It was quite an easy one. I thought it'd just make it, given so many people will be trying to transition into their time lock strategies, the new time lock strategy, and show you how to do it.